Frustrated from organizing your research references? When it comes to managing your research references, three names dominate: Zotero, Mendeley, and EndNote. Let's break down the key differences to help you choose the right one. First, let's talk money. Zotero and Mendeley are both free with basic storage, though you need to pay extra for cloud space. EndNote, however, requires a paid license, though many universities provide it to students and faculty. In terms of ease of use, for capturing references, Zotero shines with its single-click feature that works across more databases, catalogs, and websites than Mendeley's browser extension. You can even drag PDFs directly into Zotero to create citation records automatically. Mendeley offers superior filtering options by source type, publication year, and specific journals, making organizing references faster. EndNote offers advanced features but has a steeper learning curve. Zotero's sharing features are far superior to EndNote's, making it ideal for team projects. Mendeley has the strongest website and community platform, perfect if you want to connect with other researchers. Choose Zotero if you work with diverse content types beyond just PDFs. Pick Mendeley if your research is primarily PDF based, as it has an integrated PDF viewer. And EndNote is best if you need hundreds of built in citation styles and advanced features for specific disciplines. The winner? It depends on your needs. For most students and researchers, Zotero offers the best balance of features and ease of use, all for free. But if you're PDF focused, Mendeley's interface might win you over. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.